Hey yo, I'm Ayo, I'm 17 years old and I'm from Poland. Like many guys my age, I spent a lot of time playing online games. But what you might not know is that gaming didn't just help me have fun, it actually made me fluent in English. And believe me, it was a total surprise. When I was younger, my English was, well, they did say it wasn't great. In school, we learned grammar and vocabulary, but speaking felt impossible. I was super shy and I always worried about making mistakes. I understood some English from game menus and basic quests, but holding a conversation, no way. Then I started getting really into multiplayer online games. I played games like Counter-Strike, Valorant, and World of Warcraft with people from all over the world. At first, I just listened to my teammates. In fast-paced games like Valorant or CSGO, it was all about quick tactical communication. They were shouting things like "push A" or "he's on the stairs." It was a mess of different accents, and I only understood about 20% of it. But I kept listening. Slowly, my brain started to make connections. I learned game-specific words first, then common phrases. But in a game like World of Warcraft, I had to learn to have real conversations. I joined the guild with players from all over the world, and we would talk on Discord for hours while we played. We chat about our daily lives, our school, and of course our favorite games. It was a natural way to practice. I wasn't studying, I was just talking to my friends. My pronunciation improved because I heard native speakers every day, and my vocabulary grew with every conversation. What I learned is that the fear of making mistakes is the biggest enemy. In online games, nobody cares if your grammar is perfect. They just need to understand you. This environment gave me the courage to speak without thinking too much about the rules. It taught me that communication is about connection, not perfection. So if you're a gamer and you're struggling with English, don't just play, talk. Find a team, join a community, and use those voice chats. You might just find your English fluency hiding in your favorite game. And that's a win-win situation if you ask me.